Hello from OGSMechanics. A nice job in today. A Mini. Again, it seems like lately the trend is oil consumption. Now this petrol engine was using quite a lot of oil, known for BMW and also Mini. We had already the cylinder head off. We removed the valve stem oil seals. We are at the stage where we're finalizing the job. We also put a timing chain because it's a good practice since we got so deep into the engine to put a new timing chain. So basically this top end is being rebuilt, also new timing chain. But what we have noticed, and this is quite a nice thing to show, the carbon deposit. This is a port from cylinder number 4, and as you can see, it barely, the exhaust gases they can barely pass over. This is a good port, and cylinder 3 also. But look at number 4. So this cylinder was not evacuating properly. It was also causing misfire faults. But now we have to de-restrict. We have to break away all this carbon and get the engine to breathe properly again. Again, a glimpse in our activity here in OGSMechanics, where we perform services starting from maintenance to full engine rebuild, diagnostic, coding, programming at dealer level.